Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I get to review my favorite hair textures of them all, which is the loose Deepwave texture, and Megalook hair was nice enough to send it over. So as for the specs, this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit and a loose Deepwave texture, of course, in 30 inches and 180% density. So this is going to be a straight out of the box install, and also this is going to be super beginner friendly because I am not using glue today. I am only using the adhesive spray, and that is the Ebin Wonder Lace spray, and I have all of my products linked in my Amazon storefront. So you guys are basically going to see me do the whole shebang. Cut my lace, cut around my ear tabs. You guys know I cut around my ear tabs because I love to tuck my hair behind my ear. It's also more comfortable, and just like all of those things, right? Also, who wants lace and wig caps sitting on top of their ears anyway, you know? So that's what you guys will see me doing here. And yeah, so I just want to talk about the loose Deepwave texture for a second, because I did say at the beginning of this video that it's my favorite texture. And it really is. It still is. I don't get this texture as often as I used to, because I remember at one time they were going crazy with the loose Deepwave textures as soon as I said that it was my favorite texture. But this kind of gives me like those nostalgia vibes, because I remember doing these types of hair reviews so much, and they always were straight out of the box. And I just love the loose Deepwave textures because it just looks really good on me. It's super voluminous. I love the curl pattern as well. I'm not showing you guys how this looks wet, but I did use a little bit of mousse for like the frontal part, but other than that, straight out of the box, you guys. So this is a pre-bleached and pre-plucked wig unit, you guys. It looks really good, and even though I use the adhesive spray to apply my wig unit, it still looks just as good as the glue. So also what I would say is, if you guys are using the Ebin Wonder Lace spray, you are able to take your wig on and off. However, the buildup on this spray is crazy, you guys. It honestly looks like when you take it off and you start to like build up that spray, it honestly starts to look like glue. So the buildup is crazy. So you are going to have to, like, after like 2-3 sprays, you are going to have to like wash at least the hairline. But the spray has a really good hold, you guys. So highly recommend the spray. I'm sure you guys are very much familiar with it. Find it on Amazon where I got mine. You can also find it in your beauty supply store, because I also, you know, seen it in there as well. So beautiful hairline. You can't even really tell that I sprayed this wig on. It just looks really good. So as for the baby hairs, I'm giving myself some sideburns here. I'm curling them, and I'm going to do a little swoop right where my parting will be. And that's normally like where I do my parting, or not my parting, that's normally where I do my baby hairs. I think everybody does their baby hairs differently, and it just depends, again, on your face shape. Like, that's just your face shape, your face structure. Everybody has a different type of placement with their baby hairs. Whatever looks better to them or best to them, that's where people are going to place their baby hairs. So I don't know why I was going crazy with these baby hair swoops, but I ended up like cutting it a little bit. But certain hair textures and hairstyles, I like to have bigger baby hairs and stuff like that. So some of them I don't, but I feel like I haven't been really doing a lot of baby hairs in my recent videos because the hairlines are so good. But with this loose Deepwave hair texture, I had to give myself a little swoopy whoop. But other than that, you guys, I do want to say that when I went to pull out my hair, I did get some shedding with the hair, so just keep that in mind. I did not wash this wig through. This is straight out of the box, so had I probably washed it and did that whole shebang, maybe there wouldn't have been any shedding, but I did get some shedding at first, so I think it's pretty normal. It wasn't like alarming shedding, but I just want to make sure that I tell you guys that. But let me know what you guys think of the hairstyle that I came up with. I think it looks super cute on me. I might need to get some more loose deep wave textures, you guys. It's super cute. But other than that, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. This is actually my very last video before the new year, so I just want to say happy new year to you guys. Make sure you guys are setting your intentions, setting your goals, making your vision boards, all of the new year things, and most importantly, make sure that you are praying. You guys, pray over your new year, and just be intentional with everything that you do in 2024, and most importantly as well is stay consistent. So I can go on and on and on about this, but I'm done. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. this tension, a feeling I never